Hi, Efren. I would like to explain to you. Normally, for the sliding lock holder and the receiver, the adjusting area should be up and down, not like left and right side. Because when you close the door, normally what you need to adjust is just come more close and a little back. So this area can adjust the size more shorter or more longer. So normally for the sliding, what you should consider for the adjustable should be up and down. And for the casement one, what you need to consider is left and right side. Let me operate for you. You can see like this is the casement. This is a round one, like this. This can be adjusted. So you can see when you close the door, close the window, you left or right. So you can adjust from this area, left and right. So what you need to consider for the casement should be left and right, and for the sliding should be up and back, up and back. Okay.